Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am trying to listen to you guys, and I went ahead and bought the T8 Plus's Pro mopping system that oscillates 480 times per minute. So, according to some of you guys, this is the best mopping attachment you can buy for any robot vacuum. So we're going to put it through a test similar to all my other tests. There's actually still vanilla pudding that I just went ahead and left here because I knew I was getting another mop to test it. And it's still on there, as you can see. A couple spots that all the other ones have failed miserably at getting. A couple more over here, which we'll check once it's done cleaning. I'm gonna leave the carpet areas not blocked because it should sense it and automatically stay off the carpet. I'm leaving this one because that board was already there, but I'm gonna put this guy through the test. I'm gonna give it its best chance to impress me. So therefore, having it clean twice, we're gonna put on the most water flow it has. Then we're also doing deep scrubbing. So I was actually telling myself before I even opened this app, I said these robot mops should really have different cleaning patterns than just the standard going over at once, and this one does. So twice the cleaning action, and I'm going to have it clean twice. So I really expect this floor to be clean this time.
Switched to deep scrubbing.
So what do you guys think? Is this finally going to be the mop to buy? This is going to change my mind big time on this T8 Plus. I love the vacuum so far, but the standard mop pad that this came with was useless. I don't want to use it, and I never will. So if this actually cleans and does a good job, I'm going to be quite impressed. And when I turn this on, you'll see instantly just how much more oscillating power this has than that useless Shark AI that you've seen in my testing before. This thing really does scrub, so I really expect good things. And let's see, we're going to have it run. We'll talk a little bit while it goes, and then I'll record it. I'll speed it up for you guys, and at the end, we'll check how well it cleaned, and we'll talk about it. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, please smash that like button, subscribe. Got tons more vacuum videos coming, mopping videos. I even went out and bought a bunch of regular vacuums, like Dyson and Shark Apex, Shark Vertex. All kinds of stuff coming to this channel. All right, let's get this guy going. Just gonna do auto. And it should stay off the carpet all by itself.
I am relocating. Please wait.
It's doing that because I moved the dock. See how much more that oscillates right off the bat? Now I could see that actually scrubbing. I mean, it's shaking the whole freaking unit. Here we go. Come on, Deebot. Impress me. I really need some sort of robot mop to impress me. New environment detected, starting a new cleaning cycle. It's a little bit loud, but if it does the cleaning job, then I think I can live with that. See how quickly it backed off the carpet there? So when it starts, it tells you not to have the mopping pad wet. So it'll probably take a good minute before it's fully saturated and really does the cleaning job well.
My battery is low. I'm powering off.
Sorry about that, guys. Though somehow the battery was low even though it was sitting on the dock for the past month. I don't know why. So it only really did this section so far.
Ozmo Pro Reservoir installed. Please move me to a non-carpeted area before starting.
Okay.
I'm starting to charge.
So I'm basically gonna have to redo this test. This is what happens sometimes when you're doing all these tests. I could just edit that out, but I kind of like to keep my stuff real life and as honest as can be. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. So after this charges, we'll start it over, and I'll try to edit this down as much as I can so you're not watching a super long video. Alright guys, it is done. That was actually a lot quicker than I thought it would do it. So I don't know if it's going to be able to get up those, what they call stubborn stains. I have not gone over there to look. So let's look together. If they're gone, I'm going to be very impressed. Kind of surprised, but let's go check it out. And if they are there, I'll kind of see if it loosened it up or anything to where another run would probably be able to get it. So let's take a look. I really hope it's gone, but I'm gonna say no. Yeah, see there? There it is. I mean, did almost nothing, just like every other freaking robot vacuum. That is so disappointing. I didn't check the footage, but it looked like it went all the way down and back. I don't know why it wouldn't have. If it didn't, then that's kind of a failure right there. Let me show you why I'm disappointed. These here, I would call a stubborn stain, right? Well, mops up to 480 times per minute. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Well, that stain is laughing at you. So that is definitely disappointing. I'll review the footage and make sure that it went all the way over here, but I'm pretty sure it did. And I still say I don't think any type of robot vacuum or anything out there can get up a stubborn stain like that, even though this clearly says it can. Now, one thing I will do, and I think that'll work for any robot, if you know you have a stain like that, give it a quick squirt with some water before you go clean. I can pretty much just, if I soak that with water real quick, when it comes by, that's gonna be completely gone. So I'll probably rerun it and do exactly that and just see if my theory is right. I can pretty much guarantee it is. But as far as stubborn stains, no. Sadly, not at all. Let's see how dirty the pad even is. As you can see, it did get up some dirt. It is just some Velcro that kind of holds it on. So once again, a little bit disappointed, or honestly a lot disappointed. I still don't see this type of system on a robot vacuum ever working, unless you do what I said and you see a stain, go ahead and squirt it down. And then when it gets over that stain, it should be loosened up enough to actually go ahead and clean it for you. The only robot that has ever gotten up that stain is the Samsung JetBot. And that's the one with the two circular pads at the bottom that rotate, and that is what moves the robot itself. And so therefore, the whole entire time the robot's moving, those are spinning and cleaning up stains on the floor. That thing is amazing, and in my eyes, it is still the absolute best mopping robot you can buy. This is sad to me. I will do some more tests. Like I said, I will rerun it, and I'm going to squirt it with water first just to see if then it can clean it up. But being that it claims it can clean stubborn stains and it doesn't, that's kind of a massive negative to me. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know what other test you want to see with this. I know this is a very hot item right now, and a lot of people want to see a lot more videos. So please throw some ideas down in the bottom, and I will do those for you. Like and subscribe, please, and have an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video.